Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
The Youth Welfare and Social Club of Asolna celebrated the feast of San Pedro and San Paulo with fervor on Saturday. Amidst the celebration, Sports Club of Asolna celebrated its 50 years of clubhood.
बरे भाशेन चळयले त्या प्रमाणे आज आमकां कोणास वचपाताय आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी जायते जाणांक कितें हेल्पूय केलां.
6 books were released by Reverend Father Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao at Fatima Convent High School in Madgaon. These books will be given to students from standard 5th to 10th. The aim behind the distribution of books is to develop a healthy attitude of Catholic family life and values.
A series which will help us to exercise our responsibility as faith formators of our children in the schools.
State Bank of India Panji branch donated 10 ceiling fans to the government primary school. This initiative is to commemorate Bank Day on 1st July.
Initiative every year to help the needy schools so as to provide some basic amenities to the poor students and and whatever so as they should be able to enjoy this the facilities.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar paid a visit to Sange and Kutsure health centers. He is currently reviewing the situation and inspecting the facilities at government-run hospitals in the state.
ते मध्यंतरीच्या काळात मेंटेन झाले ना आणि क्वार्टर्स पाड पडले आणि हे ओसाड पडला हे पळोवन वायट दिसता. ह्या हॉस्पिटलाची बिल्डिंग बरी आसा ती बिल्डिंग मेंटेन करून तिका फेसलिफ्ट देणे गरज आसा तेजेर खर्च करूंक जाय. पयलो फॉल सिलींग बीन हे पिड्ड्यार जाल्लें आसा. हांगा खूब दुर्लक्ष जालां आरोग्य म्हणून हें कळटा. सांगे हो मोठो विस्तृत तालुको आणि खरें म्हणजे इतलीं वर्सां इतलें दुर्लक्ष जावन उपयोग नासले.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs on Monday disbursed a total cash award outlay of 8,20,000 rupees for the 2011-12 season. Cash awards were presented to individual and educational institutions for excellence in sports. Umesh Gawas won the State Youth Award, while Savarn Sports and Cultural Club of Bicholi clinched the State Youth Institutional Award.
Thank you, sir. Basketball girls first place. The total cash prize 30,000. St. Alex High Secondary School cash prize rupees 15,000. Swimming and diving third place and Nehru hockey third place. The overall champions in cricket. Sorry, they are the winners in hockey first place, boxing first place, netball second place, chess second place.
Director of Sports VM Prabhudesai revealed department's plan.
So we have a lot of plans from the department side for the 40th year, as we have entered the 40th year. In each and every sport that we cater to, we are going to select the most talented students. We have already decided, the Honorable Minister has given his approval in principle for the scheme to shortlist students who are extremely good at taluka level, district level, state level, and we will have a bank of young sportsmen and sportswomen to be molded into outstanding sportswomen of tomorrow. So that is the scheme we want to declare in the 40th year.
Sports Minister Umesh Gawas warned the coaches against complacent attitude.
Coaches आम्ही एक इंट्रॅक्शन करत असताना तांचो परफॉर्मन्स कितें आसा ताजे आम्ही एका मागलें की एखादो कोचीस एक 10 वर्सां 15 वर्सां जर कोचिंग करता जाल्यार ताणें आपलें आत्मपरीक्षण करपाक जाय. हांव कोचिंग करता तें बरोबर आसा न्हू, बरोबर नासत जर जायत न्ही जाल्यार ताणें स्वताक ट्रेनिंग अदीक ट्रेनिंग घेवन खंय तरी आपले डिलिव्हरी दिवपाच्या दृश्टिकोनान प्रयत्न जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो. त्यामुळे आमी ठरलें आसा या कोचिसाचे जे जितले कोचिस आसा की ताजो परफॉर्मन्स आमकां पळोवपाक जाय आनी कोचिस सारके काम करिना जर जाय तांकां परत एकदा ट्रेनिंगाक धाडपाची गरज आसा. आणि ट्रेनिंगाक धाडून सुद्दां तो परफॉर्मन्स दिना जर जाय जाल्यार ताका सांगपाची वेळ आसा अरे बाबा तूं हांगा ह्या फिल्डाक उपयोग ना हें आमकां सांगचें पडटलें.
Our video journalist from Donapaul, Tulsidas Chari. Goa Cricket Association has come down hard on the 20 de-recognized clubs. GCA Secretary Prasad Fatharpekar has asked the 20 clubs to furnish the confirmation letter that GCA issues once a club is officially given recognition by the managing committee. Fatharpekar says confidently the clubs do not have such a letter and were all pawns in the Anand Narvekar's game to win the elections. However, he has kept the gates open and said should any club have a letter, the GCA will accept them as a full-fledged members of GCA.
On Saturday, 20 clubs had demanded to be reinstated in the GCA.
Now, what is the status of the clubs? Their stand is that they have been playing in GCA tournament. We agree to that. Playing in GCA tournament does not give them eligibility to be ordinary clubs of the association. And if the managing committee says, fine, okay, we fit, your club deserves an recognition, then we officially write to them. The committee has decided to recognize you as an ordinary club of the association with voting rights. And I want to name the clubs. One is Rudreshwar, Khorzua 11, that Visual Link, Prapti Sports Club. They are all close, they are personal friends, they are constituency people of ex-president Dayanand Narvekar. With his favoritism, they have bulldozed into the association. If they have a grievance, they should write to the association. None of these clubs have written to the association.
Politics has played for 11. Stamina, I don't know how much stamina, but Khurjua say they played for 4. Why haven't they been given the game?
Yes, Nikhil, the managing committee does not find it fit to add clubs. It's beyond our management. We don't deny them access to play. There are not only these 20 clubs, there are another 50 clubs in Goa who have played for the association. These 20 are close to Dayanand Narvekar. They were added to the list of 110 by Advocate Dilip Dabolkar. They thought that they had granted recognition. But these clubs are unaware that they have been used by somebody to make allegations on Goa Cricket Association. You can make a statement, I am making a statement, I am asking one of these clubs to come with a document which is issued by the office of GCA that you have been accepted as an ordinary member of this association. Suppose any of the clubs has this and we have missed it, we will consider it.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.